Whipped cream is a dessert staple, but getting it just right can be tricky. That's where gelatin comes in to save the day. Follow these simple steps and you'll have light, fluffy, and perfectly stable whipped cream every time. Let's get started. First, sprinkle your gelatin over the water and let it bloom for 5 minutes. Then melt the gelatin in the microwave for about 5 seconds or until it's fully melted. After dissolving the gelatin, add in 1 teaspoon of heavy cream and mix. In a mixing bowl, whip the cream on medium speed until foamy. Add in the powdered sugar and vanilla and continue mixing on medium speed until you get soft peaks. Turn the mixer to low and drizzle in the gelatin. Continue mixing on medium speed until the peaks are firm and holding their shape. And there you have it, perfect whipped cream that will hold its shape with the help of gelatin. Try it out for your next dessert and you'll be sure to impress your guests.